car sound like a dirt bike? This is a two-stroke?
You think you could gap that Viper?
Viper don't want this.
1, 2, 3! They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, depression be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The vote and affection, I summon it double.
Why does the car sound like a dirt bike?
That's a little...
This is a two-stroke?
Yeah. You think you could gap that Viper?
That Viper don't want this.
Dumbass cars. Stupid ass, little cheap ass fucking...
Okay! You even see him?
Barely. Hulk, put your light on.
But let me... There's no lights in here.
Alright, Hulk. We'll catch back up with you. Oh, he's about to get hurt.
That's like one bus lane.
Oof! Man, this guy drives like a grandpa.
He ain't doing shit.
Man, he's scared, bro. Cocky Type R owner races all of Texas.
Listen, I want to make a race against everybody. Win or lose, I don't give a fuck.
That's right.
And then I can show what the car has up against other cars. You know?
Bro, dude, I almost had you. This is Misa's latest creation. Boy, this thing is dope. Good lord. It's actually one of our buddies in Odessa. The thing is sick. Eric, thoughts on the wrap?
Fucking nut.
It looks sick. Damn. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to Caffeine and Cars in Lubbock. So if you guys don't know, we actually live in Amarillo, but we do this monthly charity event called Caffeine and Cars. You bring your cars out, we usually donate to a foundation. But anyways, this month we finally decided to do one in Lubbock, which is about like 2 hours from us. Anyways, we are driving this crazy wrapped ZL1 1LE, delivering it to our friend, aka the customer. Misa just got done wrapping it, and Randy actually coated it. It looks super good. But anyways, we're getting some gas, and the reason why we're taking is we're gonna take some pictures of it on the way, which we'll show you guys, and then we'll show you guys Caffeine and Cars. Alright, you guys couldn't see Hulk earlier, but there he is. Anyways, we made it to Lubbock.
Anyways.
We're shooting some rollers on the way here. There is a ton of cars. A lot of cars. He said, how many cars we have? About 100. Guys. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're good, we're good. This is insane.
We're good at a few things. We can hold events. Look at this.
Maybe we should move to Lubbock.
And Rigo's bringing like 30 cars.
Yeah, look how many cars are here. There's a white ACR track edition over there. It's all stickered out. It's coming in. Good Lord, we brought a solid 20 cars, maybe 15.
24.
Yeah, damn. Damn, they got McLaren, new Supra,
I want to see the
GT350, supposedly.
There's a Porsche GT here. There's two. That's the only reason why I came.
Oof. I like the license plate. Progress. A new Supra. And the real car. Holy smokes. Boy. Oof. And there's a new one, which I have not seen in person yet. Oh my gosh.
Look how close the seats are.
Look at that. Damn.
Dude, I've never seen one in person.
Dude, that's bad. 20 grand over there.
Like the front of the seat is right in front of
Yeah. Ouch. Oh my lord. Wow.
insane.
Absolutely. Whew. Damn. That Viper though. Hey look, it's Michael Freeman. Alright, but I'll be over here.
Oh my.
You made it!
Yeah, I did.
I should have rode with you. Way more reliable.
I'm pretty sure I'm leaking fuel all over that Corvette.
Ah, you'll be fine. He can take it. Oh, look at that.
Why'd you bring the Hellcat?
It's coming.
What the fuck is this?
Look at the line, boy.
There's 4 cars. Damn. Bro, look at that wing on there. That is sick. Woo. That interior, damn.
That's that fuck you money, boy.
Yeah. That exhaust is sticking a little further. Turn it up!
David, help us start.
Strap the car with a strap because this is a bad idea.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them.